Sawa ka na ba gumamit ng mga generic na nippers? Hindi maganda yung cutting results? Or if you're looking for a premium nipper to step up your building game, then may papakilala ako sa'yo bro. Steady Limited Edition Year of the Horse Nipper. This tool is designed for clean and precise cuts sa plastic model kits, including Gunpla. For its very affordable price, high-end single-edge nipper na agad ang makukuha mo. And since it's limited edition, commemorative red na ang color niya and perfect if nagko-collect ka ng nippers. Performance-wise, sobrang smooth ng soft cut action nito and some even say na mas maganda pa ito or kasing ganda ng ibang high-end nippers. Ito ay dahil gawa siya sa high-end quality alloy steel for very durable blades. Equipped with double limit function to prevent over travel and para maiwasan na masira ang spring. Meron din siyang adjustable screw to manage with the biting point and di ka na mahihirapan humanap ng pang-adjust dahil included na rin sa set ang Allen wrench. This nipper is very suitable for beginners and meron din siyang ino-offer for advanced builders. Pero if you want something affordable, sobrang bang for buck ang nipper ni Steady. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo bro? Check out mo na yung nasa yellow basket bago pa mahuli ang lahat. Mabilis lang maubos bro. Legit.